no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is number 9 of our daily devotionals. This is the 365-day daily devotional. I've been using the Jesus Calling devotional by Sarah Young. I have done 1 through 9, obviously up until now. If you've missed any of those and you would like to go back and see those, I'll have those linked in the description box for you. And if you are wondering, why is she doing devotionals? What happened to her DIYs? And why does it look like she's in a camper? Well, that's because I've had some major changes happen in my life. So if you are missing out on that, I will leave those linked in the description box as well. That will get you caught back up. As for today, we're going to do the devotional, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, let's jump right in. All right, guys, number 9. So let me show you the page. Here we go. Now, it says January the 9th. I was showing you the wrong page. Totally showing you the wrong one. That's number 10. Okay, let me show you the right one. Sorry, guys. I'm so blind. Oh, my goodness, I'm so blind. Anyways, it says January the 9th, but we're not doing it by the date. We're just going 1 through 365, hopefully. I hope we make it to 365. We're going to. We're going to. Okay? Ain't no hoping to it. We are going to make it to 365. All right. Number 9. I am with you and for you. When you decide on a course of action that is in line with my will, nothing in heaven or on earth can stop you. You may encounter many obstacles as you move toward your goal, but do not be discouraged. Never give up. With my help, you can overcome any obstacle. Do not expect an easy path as you journey hand in hand with me, but do remember that I, your very present helper, am omnipotent. I believe I'm saying that word right. I hope so. Much stress results from your wanting to make things happen before their times have come. One of the main ways I assert my sovereignty is in the timing of events. If you want to stay close to me and do things my way, ask me to show you the path forward, moment by moment. Instead of dashing headlong toward your goal, let me set the pace. Slow down and enjoy the journey in my presence. That's good. Slow down and enjoy the journey. That's hard for all of us to do, I would think. I know it's hard for me to slow down because I've said it before. I'm a get it done yesterday kind of person. I like things done. I like to have a plan. I like to be focused and get things done. You know, I like to be very productive, and waiting on the Lord is not easy to do, but obviously his timing is going to be way better than mine. So it's definitely the right thing to do, waiting on the Lord, but enjoying the journey. That part of that sentence is what really stuck out to me. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the learning. Ask God to teach you through every obstacle. Ask God to be with you and to guide you and to guide your mind and your heart and to just, lead you. Enjoy that part of that closeness with God. Enjoy the journey. All right. Here are the verses for today. What then shall we say in response to this? If God is for us, who can be against us? That is one of my very favorite verses. That's Romans 8:31. That one I definitely remember learning as a child in Sunday school, and it stuck with me forever. I can always remember in the back of my head, like, who can be against me? I've got God on my side. Nobody can. Nothing formed against me shall prosper if I have got God on my side, it's just not going to happen. The Lord is going to take care of things, period, because he's God. That's what he does. All right. God is our refuge, our strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore, we will fear not. Even though the earth is removed, and thou the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea, though the waters roar and be troubled, though the mountains shake with its swelling. Psalms 46, 1 through 3. That's very good. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. All right. For nothing is impossible with God. Luke 1:37. And that also reminds me of another verse. Everybody knows this verse, but Philippians 4:13. Through Christ, I can do all things through Christ. Y'all, how did I just go blank? Y'all know the verse I'm talking about, though, but that's a very good one also. It's just definitely plain and simple, laid out as simply as it can be, that God is number one and that he can help you do anything. The main thing is to just wait on God's timing. Like the devotional said, ask the Lord to show you moment by moment, how things are going to plan out. Get quiet with the Lord. Be still. Get quiet. Listen to the Lord. Close your eyes. Mentally see the things that the Lord has in store for you. Just imagine it. I sit and think of getting a new house and having new furniture and just not being in the horse trailer, for heaven's sakes. But I definitely sit and I daydream and I ponder on, these things that I know that eventually, like I said, because it's all about the Lord's timing, but eventually these things will come to pass and I will be fine. It's just about waiting on the Lord. All right, guys, I hope that y'all enjoyed this. I won't say it again, but do all the things. I thank you so much for being with me, and y'all have a blessed day.